The system is failing. We're going to have more homelessness, more unemployment, and the government has to print more money. It's a command and control economy where the government tells you everything. I just don't trust our government. And they're going to have to start printing pretty quickly. And the more they print, the less value, purchasing power the dollar has, or the loonie, or the yen, or the peso. People are talking about inflation. I think we're in depression right now, and we're going to be the biggest depression in world history. In the 1970s, that's when the world was changing. The biggest bust in the history of the world is coming up. It's pensions. They trusted the government. They trusted their pension would be there, and it's going to go bust. And that's us. We get crushed.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Bearable Bull here. And I got this aggressively average content for you today. As guys, I have a lot to discuss with all of you today. First, I gotta give you all a subtle reminder. When Ripple got sued, XRP got delisted everywhere. But when Luna was confirmed a Ponzi scheme, it was allowed to trade everywhere. Then 9 cryptos were called securities on Coinbase by the SEC, and they're still allowed to trade. My XRP diamond hands are ice cold, but honestly, fuck crypto politics. Most of these exchanges and most people have an anti-XRP and pro-Bitcoin bias. XRP is so special that they're trying to get it out of the hands of retail investors. Ladies and gentlemen, I see no reason for this special treatment. And now, karma is coming for these crypto exchanges. Right now, we saw on Forbes that every single United States crypto exchange and Binance is being investigated by the SEC. This was stated by Senator Loomis. And it's important you all understand how massive this is. I constantly tell all of you to custody your tokens on your offline hardware wallets. Look at what happened to Voyager. Look at what happened to Celsius. Sometimes people need to learn the hard way. What does this mean for all of us? It means we're going to have regulation. They cannot stop crypto. But exchanges are a single centralized point of failure. And if they cut off our access to exchanges, we will be unable to participate in the greatest fourth industrial revolution in the history of mankind, the greatest wealth transfer in the history of mankind. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people, they frustrate me. They misinterpret what I say a lot. In my previous video, I stated I'm all in with my cash position, and the reason why is because cash is confirmed going to zero. Crypto, specifically the high quality cryptos, will be approaching infinity, meaning because of its finite supply, it'll continuously appreciate in value into the future. Why would I still be holding on to cash for prolonged periods of time while the US is going through turmoil, while geopolitical tensions are at play? I'm outside of the system. I prefer freedom. Any single day, our bank accounts could be halted, frozen. We've seen bank runs globally. Look at what happened to Sri Lanka. This is not a test. This is not a drill. This is the real deal. And in my opinion, crypto may be in for a positive price spike in the coming weeks. Ladies and gentlemen, I actually have this clip from Raoul Pal, one of the few macro analysts I really respect. And I want you all to listen to his bullish take on the market as well.
So I think the key focus here is bond yields continue to fall, as I've been talking about. The oil price is falling, as I've been talking about. And that's going to start giving crypto the next leg up. We've had a big move higher. I mean, some of these tokens are 100% off their lows. They're stabilizing, bit of profit taking going on. The next thing we've got is the ETH merge, September the 19th. This is a really big deal. It's massively changing the supply of ETH in the market and going to increase demand. You see, Giving something a yield allows institutional investors to invest because it gives them that extra return that they're looking for. One of the reasons people didn't own gold, pension funds and others, is because it didn't have a yield. But ETH is now going to have a yield. It's going to change the entire crypto space in how institutionalized it becomes, the opportunities that it will give, and how people can build new DeFi ideas on top of it. So look, it's a really exciting moment in time. We're about to see the ETH supply dramatically falling, whether it's from staking or whether it's from burning. And then we're going to bring new participants into the market. I expect fireworks, and good fireworks too. Anyway, hold on to your ETH and don't let go.
Wow. Fireworks. He expects fireworks. Ladies and gentlemen, I expect fireworks as well. And I believe the opportunity cost of not being in this market and not beginning to at least dollar cost average is too great. Specifically for the altcoins, screw Bitcoin. I'm tired of Bitcoin. I'm not here for 10 to 100% returns. I'm here for the 10 to 100x gains. And that's what I believe these high quality utility alts are going to provide us. Not all at once. Profit taking needs to occur. But I believe that's what we're in store for. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that being said, I highly recommend you guys follow me on Instagram down in my YouTube description below, as you guys are missing out on so much high quality free content on there. I post over there daily, and you guys are missing out on a lot of hidden gems, as well as macro analysis and motivation. Please give me a follow for the best overall value I can provide you. In addition, please look at this video by Blockchain Backer from 2 days ago. This was a 40-minute video that he posted, and one of my clients highly recommended I take a look at it, as he gave both bearish and bullish cases for the entire crypto market as objectively as one possibly can. So you can take both scenarios, and based on your own opinion and perspective, you can decide whether or not you think we're going to go bearish or bullish. Me, I decided before I watched this video, but this was just additional confirmation and additional confidence for me. And I highly recommend you guys balance not just your fundamental analysis, but also your TA. Get as many perspectives as you can, as it'll probably paint the perfect picture for you. Now, with that being said, guys, a bombshell of an announcement was dropped by Coinbase yesterday, as Coinbase partnered with Big Daddy, BlackRock, and Larry Fink. This is massive. They pulled this out of their war chest, and I'm very happy to say that the possibility of Coinbase going bankrupt is no longer on the table. You guys all need to understand that over the past week and a half, it was looking very, very bad for Coinbase. Cathie Wood even completely sold her Coinbase position at an 80% loss. And actually, since she did that, it's up 100% from her sell price. Call her the Jim Cramer of the crypto space, I guess. But in all seriousness, what this means for crypto is that trillions upon trillions and the world's largest asset manager is on standby, ready to completely deploy all assets into this market. And of course, that's a little hypey. Of course, that's a little bit of hyperbole. But you guys understand what I mean. This is the big boys publicly coming into this market and letting us know they're here. At the same time, Coinbase pulled this out of their war chest right as the SEC and Gary was trying to investigate them specifically. And I think with Big Daddy BlackRock coming over here and giving Coinbase their endorsement, Gary Gensler's gonna back off, because you know he's balls deep in Wall Street's back pocket. Keep that in mind, guys, as while all other exchanges are being investigated, Coinbase is proving to be the only one, really, that we could probably trust more than others. That being said, I highly recommend self-custody. Nobody knows what could happen next. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a massive bullish indicator for the crypto market. And while that doesn't mean right now, tomorrow, or even the next day prices are going to shoot up, I do see a scenario where the macro as well as the crypto fundamentals are lining up for the perfect storm. Ladies and gentlemen, the Biden administration yesterday declared monkeypox a public health emergency. This is like the first health crisis, but now this is round 2. Are lockdowns possible again, especially in certain states? Possibly. This could breed the scenario where more money printing occurs. More lockdowns, more money printing, more stimulus is possible. The Fed recently signaled that they might be taking their foot off the gas as far as interest rate hikes are concerned, and that's honestly what I think will probably happen. Long-term, negative interest rates are probably gonna happen because they are the easiest way to help implement central bank digital currency adoption. That'll happen most likely beginning in 2023, 2024. We are so close to full-blown crypto adoption. We're on the precipice of this ETH 2.0 merge, with no delays, by the way, could bring a surge in the total market cap of crypto, bring more money into the crypto space, and cause a paradigm shift, causing ETH to be the king of crypto and making Bitcoin number 2. That would be amazing for all coins. I speculate Bitcoin could hit the 30-40K range around that period as well if the bulls take over, if they take back control. And with that in mind, guys, I have a question. What is one of the biggest fundamental truths when it comes to investing that we all know is facts? The majority of people are always wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear everyone everywhere saying we have lower to go, but you don't hear a damn soul anywhere on YouTube, Twitter, or any other platform saying an altcoin season is possible. Hell, I'm the only crazy one that believes it could happen. And if the perfect storm comes with this ETH 2.0 merge, accompanied with these bottoming out 85 to 95% corrected altcoins, this could be the perfect storm. And guys, not only that, the giant elephant in the room is the fact that Flare Network will be ending observation mode in a couple weeks and will officially go live, allowing the XRP community to get their Spark tokens officially airdropped. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people have been talking unnecessary shit about the Flare networks. And I'm here to put you all in your place. You all need to understand that they're doing it right. Ladies and gentlemen, we saw Solana get hacked the other day, the 10th largest crypto in the market. They've had to pause their blockchain at least 17,000 times by now. And it's because they didn't get it right before they went live. We saw the Nomad bridge get hacked the other day. Massive. Bridges are a critical point of risk and failure. And Flare Network's gonna make damn sure there are no hacks. 55 plus FTSO are now running on the mainnet in a soft launch capacity. 220,000 plus blocks are finalized. 440,000 transactions completed. 3.9 second average block time. Flare Network will be one of the most revolutionary technologies to ever launch in crypto. And the crypto space is so self-righteous and so anti-XRP, it's happening under their noses. The XRP army is going to get the last laugh. And it's going to start with the Flare Network. We're going to get our free tokens. You could choose to sell right away or participate, but I guarantee you if you participate, oh, you're going to have the real last laugh. With the upcoming governance proposal that we're expecting, I believe a lot of sell pressure is going to be taken off the Spark token. They saw what happened with Songbird, with the X5 airdrop, and they will not repeat what happened. I believe the price will be more stable. Most likely there will be an initial dump because of people profit taking. But after that, we're going to see the real utility that this network has to give. Flare Networks, ETH 2.0, the end of this XRP case. The macro is disgusting. Potential money printer go Burr coming back with lockdowns. And we still have Congress in the stock market. Ladies and gentlemen, your guess is as good as mine as far as what's going to happen next. But I'm going to tell you this right now. I've placed my bets in this market into the coins I think are going to be the leading horses. And no legends have ever been made cheering from the sidelines. They've been made playing the damn game. I am all into this crypto game. And I'm here for the big money rewards it has to offer. You could call this our final stand against the financial implosion that's about to come. We are financial revolutionaries. And our day is about to arrive. Now finally, guys, tomorrow I will be posting an important interview with one of the most underrated XRPL NFT projects and metaverse projects on the XRP ledger, Xspectre. I highly recommend all of you take a look at that one, as they really are building an empire. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bearable Bull here. Thanks for tuning in. As always, I appreciate every single one of you. Now I'll be back tomorrow with another video.